Megha. I have completed my graduation in BTech in Electronics and Communication branch in the year 2020. I joined JSpiders, Pyspiders in the month of June. This was my second requirement. I took Python full stack development course. Python was taught by BTech sir. Subramaniam sir taught me web technology, and SQL was taught by Chandrika. So I got placed in EMBEDSENSE Solutions Private Limited. This was my second requirement, where I had given 3 rounds, which first was logical and analytical, second was technical, and third was HR round. Grooming was given by BTech sir, and all the faculties are very good here. They are very supportive. They will teach you in well manner. And please attend presentation classes so you will be confident, and clear your mock so you will be able to match the criteria and get selected for the requirement.